Organizations do not just need to know where a vessel is or what a shipment record says. The real mission is identifying who controls the vessel, who benefits from the cargo movement, and whether the parties behind the activity create trade, supply chain, inspection, or interdiction risk. They must prioritize maritime inspections, interdiction leads, and supply chain risk reviews across massive volumes of vessel, cargo, company, and trade data. Existing records often show the party on paper, not the party exercising control or benefiting from the movement. Tevuna is an AI-powered maritime ownership intelligence solution that combines custom investigative algorithms, data analytics, and analyst-ready reporting to support maritime risk attribution. Tevuna can be applied through analyst workflows, reports, and APIs using vessel IMOs, satellite latitude and longitude coordinates, company and entity data, or cargo and shipment data, depending on the screening target. First, Tevuna supports supply chain resilience and port infrastructure risk. Maritime supply chains are vulnerable when organizations cannot rapidly identify the true parties behind vessels, cargo-originating companies, logistics networks, or port-adjacent commercial activity. Tevuna helps surface hidden control relationships, foreign ownership exposure, sanctions proximity, and other risk indicators that may not be visible in ordinary records. Second, Tevuna supports trade enforcement and inspection innovation. Inspection resources are limited, so targeting matters. Tevuna helps convert fragmented shipment, company, vessel, and ownership data into actionable intelligence that can help prioritize which cargo, companies, vessels, or trade lanes deserve additional review. Third, Tevuna supports maritime interdiction and counter-illicit activity. For organizations responsible for maritime security, the dark ship and illicit maritime problem is a homeland problem. Who is approaching, entering, operating near, or connected to U.S. ports and maritime borders? These networks often operate through layers: vessel ownership, management companies, operators, cargo interests, front companies, and related parties. Tevuna helps investigators and analysts connect suspicious activity to the entities and controlling parties behind it. A key Tevuna differentiator is Ultimate Controlling Beneficiary, or UCB intelligence. Legacy UBO analysis often stops at ownership percentages, registered shareholders, or disclosed beneficial owners. Tevuna goes further by identifying the highest observable controlling person, entity, family, fund, government, trust, or influence structure behind maritime activity. For cargo-specific use cases, Tevuna applies XBO intelligence, meaning Export Beneficial Owner Intelligence. XBO helps identify the true cargo-originating party behind a shipment, rather than stopping at a freight forwarder, broker, logistics provider, consignee, or intermediary. This creates a powerful way to screen ownership intelligence on cargo shipments entering the United States. A shipment record may list a freight forwarder and consignee, but not the true cargo-originating party. Tevuna connects the shipment to the exporter, related supplier, vessel operator, affiliated companies, and ultimate controlling beneficiary. The output is not a product demo or a raw data graph. It is an analyst-ready risk lead showing who controls the activity, why it matters, and what stakeholders may want to review. Tevuna's differentiator is the integration of 3 capabilities into one maritime attribution workflow: UCB intelligence that identifies the highest observable controlling beneficiary, XBO intelligence that identifies the true cargo-originating party behind shipments, and maritime risk attribution that converts fragmented vessel, cargo, company, and ownership data into analyst-ready leads. Tevuna can support a focused pilot around a defined vessel list, cargo data set, trade lane, port environment, company set, or enforcement priority. Tevuna can structure that pilot with measurable outputs, including the number of high-risk vessels or cargo parties surfaced, ownership and control relationships identified, UCB profiles completed, XBO attribution records generated, unresolved cases escalated to deep dive review, and analyst-ready investigative leads delivered. Many maritime tools help agencies see where a vessel is or what a shipment record says. Tevuna helps them understand who is behind the activity and why it matters. We welcome the opportunity to demonstrate how Tevuna's integrated maritime attribution workflow can help strengthen trade enforcement, supply chain resilience, maritime domain awareness, and counter-illicit activity operations. Tevuna. Discover the impossible.